Hello, Leanne Reagan here with Rock, Paper, Scissors, here to demonstrate how you can use a text expander. A text expander is an amazing tool, and I don't use that word lightly. So here you go. Here are some examples. I've taught my tool that if I type LA email and press enter, ta-da, it spits out my email. If I type I ho and hit enter, it spits out, I hope you find this well. I hope this finds you well, which is how I start 99.9% of my emails. If I write TU and hit enter, it says, thank you in advance for your reply. I appreciate it, which is how I finish 99.9% of my emails. If I write RPS URL and hit enter, it's my website. And if I type in LinkedIn, TB, which in my head stands for touching base, when people connect with me on LinkedIn, I want to be of service, I want to share resources, but I also want to be really mindful and efficient with my time. So when I type LinkedIn TB, if I'm responding to a connection request and hit enter, look at what it spits out. So it gives a little introduction, it gives some links, some resources, etc. And then finally, if I type in thank you with a Q and hit enter, it gives an image. So that's a quick little demo of what a text expander can do. The one I'm using is called TypeItForMe. And by the way, it is one of the very few tech tools that I use that cost money. So this one does, there's a fee to it. But I hope you enjoy. Take good care till next time.